Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to save Instagram photos and videos to your gallery. So for that, we have to go to our Play Store or App Store and search for iStory for Instagram. So click on the first app and then you have to install it. After that, you have to open your app. Allow the permissions. After that, you have to click on the right corner from the top of the page on this Instagram icon next to the settings. And then you have to search for a random person. I will choose for one of my accounts. And then you have to go on the post that you want to download. And then here you have to copy the link. And then you have to go back to your app. And then as you can see, they inserted the link automatically. And then you just have to click on download. And that's it. And now if I go to my gallery, as you can see, I have the picture saved right here. And you can do this with videos, stories, whatever you want, and they will appear right here to download. So you just have to copy the link of your wanted post. So you just click on these three dots, copy the link, go back to the app and click on download, and then go to your gallery and you will find them there. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.